Need more explanation? As you all can see before, the previous videos are trying to tell us about the general explanation of energy saving. And I am here now to give you more detailed explanation about energy saving. The truth is that every little bit counts, no matter how small, and no, you don't have to sit in the dark at home or forgo those relaxing hot shower, but get ready to go green, even just a little bit. Here are 15 ways you can conserve energy and feel good enough about it. The first one is turn off your light. This one is simple and completely doable. If you are not in a room, turn off the light. Additionally, try minimal lighting by adding LED fairy light or lamps into your room or replacing your light bulb. The number two, reconsider your commute. If you want to become a little more health-wise, this one's for you. Commuting doesn't have to mean driving everywhere. You can bike, walk, and run. Use what more nature gives you. Next, number three, hang your clothes out to dry. You likely already have a love-hate relationship with your dryer. We have all accidentally shrunk that favorite top of our sweater. Well, why not worry anymore and conserve energy? Hang your clothes out to dry instead. Number four, don't run your dishwasher half full. This can seriously make a difference. Also, if you have a household of one or two people, consider opting out of the washing machine entirely by washing your dishes by hand. Dishwashers can use 1 until 3 gallons of water per wash. If it's not worth it, don't use it. Number 5. Avoid messing with your house thermostat. The highest potential for saving on utilities and energy is right here. Then let's move on to the sixth point, which is use LED light. LED light are 80% more efficient than other lighting options. Why? Only 5% of the light energy is made into heat, which means 95% of the energy is used for lighting, which is the whole point of having light bulb in the first place. If also use less energy, reducing power demands. Number 7. Save on water heating. You can purchase energy-efficient water heaters, although it may cost you a bit upfront. So what you can do here, you could take shorter shower. You could turn down the water temperature or thermostat. You could also insulate your water heater and pipes to get as much out of them as possible. Number 8. Upgrade your window. Fully insulated windows can result in a whopping increase of 10 until 25% of your utilities bill. In other words, a lot of heat is lost through your windows. Making sure your windows are properly insulated can save big on energy consumption. As an expert in your local area, find out if your window could be problematic. Number 9. Clean your filters in your appliances. New energy-efficient appliances can add up in cost, but what if your appliances are fine but they just need a good cleaning? It is entirely possible. And number 10. Don't let the tap run when brushing your teeth. Some of us are way more guilty of this than others. You run the tap to wet your toothbrush and then you walk away. The tap is still running, you spend the next minute or so brushing your teeth before going back to the running tap. Now, imagine how much water that running tap just wasted. How many buckets of water could that have just filled? Lesson from that, don't waste more water than you have to. Just turn it off. Let's move on to number 11. Pull out that slowly cooker. Surprisingly, a slowly cooker has the potential to be almost 75% more efficient than a conventional oven. Plus, there are tons of recipes like slow cooker, apple cider, or slow cooked barbecue brisket. All you need to do is search for slow cooker recipe on the web and you will get endless options. 12. Wash your clothes in cold water. Do you often select the warm cycle option for washing your clothes? Next time, do the environment and earth a favor and choose a cold wash. It saves on your water heating bills. Cold water is more likely to get out stain than scorching hot water. Number 13, try a capsule wardrobe. It's no secret, as humans, we love to consume. That's instant gratification is so easy when you purchase new clothing or even buy something online. You get the little burst of feeling good. While self-care is undeniably important, shopping can quickly get out of hand. Further, most of the products we are developed in the most environmentally sustainable way. 14. Consider a more energy efficient HVAC system. This is more so for those that live in older homes. Older homes can come with older energy system, meaning they aren't as efficient. If you live in an older home and have never update the HVAC system, consider doing so. It might cost you now, but will save you in long run. And the last one is find way to be more fuel efficient on the road. If you must drive, consider a few of these tips. Save gas by taking off your roof rack. It creates resistance, meaning you have to use more fuel to get from point A to B. Drive slowly. Reduce your speed from 80 km to 70 km. Maintain your car on the regular for efficiency or proper functioning. This includes good tires. And I think that is the tip that we can use to conserve our energy. Now we will move on to the importance of saving energy. Why conserve energy? There are many reasons why homeowners should consider energy efficiency, from the clear environmental and financial benefits of cutting energy use to potential improvement in mental and physical health. In fact, energy efficiency has become one of the common features that prospective homeowners look for when purchasing a home. So the importance of saving energy, number one is significantly reduce your utility bills. As a homeowner, energy costs can make up a significant portion of your recurring monthly expenses. With energy efficient appliances and home upgrade, the US Department of Energy estimated that you can save anywhere from 5 to 30% of your utility bills. Energy efficient appliances consume less energy throughout their service life without sacrificing quality, and are an excellent way to save on your expenditures. Number 2, earn a great return on your investment. Energy efficient purchase should not be viewed as an expense, but as an investment with utility saving that add up over the service life of the product. Next one, increase your property value. In the real estate market, energy efficient homes frequently sell for a higher price than standard homes with comparable features. Number 4, enhance your quality of life. By optimizing your energy use, you can increase the comfort of living in your home and, in many cases, see notable health benefits. Number 5, the environment. Energy efficiency is a great way to reduce your carbon footprint. Number 8 and number 6, energy saving tips help you easily cut costs. Energy Expenses are often thought of as a fixed cost of owning a home or business, with reduction only possible through pricey renovations. Number 7. Earn incremental return on energy efficiency investment. And the last one, insulate yourself from rising electricity price. I think that's all from me. Thank you.